no chance to speak. Don't worry, I'll ask you in the speech itself. So I had this thing running in my mind. So it's somewhere it's connected to what that connected to the last speech when Kalyani was saying about the desires. So somewhere it's connected to desires only. But it's quite a real scenario that has happened with me, and it is happening with so many people these days, right? So what I see is since last few weeks, almost many of my friends called me, and they are asking me about the career choices. So they are, some of them, they have six offers in hand, and the question is, Vinith, which company shall I join? I don't know why they think that I can give them advice on which company they should join. Looks like I'm too much on social media, so they think I can give advice on anything. But that's good, right? Looks like job market has opened up, isn't it, Kalyani? Lots of job are there in the market, huh? Kalyani is from HR, so I'm just asking her.
Yes, yes, William.
Yeah. So I think day before yesterday, one of my friend Venkat, he called me and said, Vinith, I have three job offers in hand, but I was still confused. Which company should I choose from? So I said, you already have three offers, right? And what is the confusion in that? And he says, I was actually initially I was, and actually the thing was hardly 6 months back I had a discussion, and he was very happy in his job, and he said, hey, everything is going really nice and all. So I said, what happened suddenly? You first, okay, I'm happy that you have three offers, but why are you looking for change in the job? And his response was really amazing. He says, I had a big issue with my boss, and I didn't like the way he spoke with me, and that's why I'm changing my job. And think about it, he's from Chennai and he's moving to Pune. And I said, how about your kids? He has two kids and of course a wife. So I said, she's also working, but won't it be a challenge? Have you discussed with them? And he comes back saying, Arre, I'll do that. He can speak Hindi also. So that कर लूँगा यार, कोई tension नहीं है. So I said, amazing. So basically, you are looking for change, and you have not even discussed with your family. I said, what if they don't agree? I said, they have to agree because I am saying that. Yeah, so lucky guy, right? We don't have that, privilege that whatever you say, it will happen. We don't want that kind of privilege, right? But that's how it happened, right? And I said, do you know, even know where you, when you are going into this new company, what are the good things that you are going to get other than your salary? Surprisingly, he says, actually, whatever salary they are giving me, 40% raise, same salary is being offered by my current company also. My boss want me to stay, and he said I can match that salary. Then I said, then where is the problem? So since I was asking one by one questions, look like I these days I ask lots of questions, right? Because earlier I used to give lots of advices. Now I ask questions and hear more. And he got frustrated with my questions, and he says, I want to do what I want to do. What is your problem? But I said, you only asked for the advice, right? And I say, but you are not giving advice. You are just asking questions. And that was very surprising line. I want to do what I want to do. I don't know why I want to do it, but I want to do it. Because the moment I asked so many questions, he got confused why he is looking for change. Because everything is fine in his job, right? He has similar kind of income, he's getting same raise, but still he want to change. And this happens so many times with our life. Has this happened to you guys? That you're doing something, but you're not clear why I'm doing it. You are looking for change in job, but you don't even know why you want to change your job. Sometimes you are looking for change in, you want, there's so many other things in personal life and so many other places, right? You are looking for doing something, but I'm not sure why I'm looking for it. Something is there, some concern, some challenge. So does that happen? Have you seen it? If not with you, have you seen that some people want to do something, but they are not even clear why they want? They are in the, sometimes they are in the book club, in this growth club, they are not even aware why they are here. Sometimes they don't even know what is the requirement, why I am here. Is there anything? Did I get the context? Did I not even got the context? I'm just here. I don't know. I'll just explore and see what's going to be, and that's also fine. We are trying to exploration is always good. But have you seen this question to you? Have you seen this? People try to do something, but they are not even aware why they are doing it. Have you seen this? Anyone?
Yes.
Question. It's a
Yes, sir.
question. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Vineet.
Vinith. Yeah.
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 Okay, so you've any examples where you have seen that okay, people are not, they're doing something but they are not clear why they are doing it. Desires are not clear, as Napoleon Hill says, right? As even today's in the speech that came up, right, when Kalyani said that. So we are not clear about our aspirations, but we are trying to do something, right? So when I discuss with these folks, my close friends, I was confused. They are not even sure why they want to change the job, but they want to change the job because a scuffle happened, a small fight happened with my boss, and they want to change the whole life. They want to move from one city to another and all that, right? And if you see, guys, most of the time this thought, what I want to do, is not even your thought. It's a thought that you have generated from your environment. It's a thought that you have picked from your friend. Okay, Sindhu is doing something, let me also try that. Oh, Ashish is doing this, let me try that. It's not even your thought. It's it you might have picked from peers, friends, or even Google, right? Google Devta, as they say, right? We sometimes pick so many things from Google itself, right? Does that happen? I want
Yes,
interaction, guys. So
Yes, sir.
otherwise, yeah,
Yes.
it
Yeah,
happens.
Vinit.
many times.
So what I see is many people are deciding what to do depending on what they are trying to get out of it. Let's say somebody want increase in salary, right? And then maybe they're not even clear what will I get, or they think, okay, will I get some kind of lifestyle, better lifestyle, will I get a better boss, right? Sometime will I get to work on this particular domain or technology. Many times I've seen this, right? Particularly at a Kishore experience, right? People want to just choose a technology and then change the job. Hey, .NET is not working, let me try Java, let me try cloud, let me try so many DevOps and so many other things. So, question again, guys: do you think it's important to know what you really want to do? Is it important?
Yeah.
Yes.
Exactly. Yes, it's most important.
Yeah,
It's most
that's the
important.
most important thing. Yeah.
Okay. Another question: if you think it's important to know, let me ask you this simple question: do you think our life is precious? Hello.
Life is precious.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Our life is precious, right? See, everybody, yeah, life is precious. Of course, my life is precious, right? So when this question comes, a serious question in our life, isn't it? When this time comes, when this question is, what I'm doing, is it even making sense? I think we should take some time off, spend time with ourselves, without getting influenced with your peers and parents and social pressure. And I think we should think that should I do something just because your friend is doing it? Should I do something because my peer is doing it? Because he is changing job, let me also try to change the job. He is going into growth club, let me also go into growth club. He is going to PIM, let me also go to PIM. Is this how you decide things? Is this how you invest this precious life? We all said that this is a precious life. Is this how we invest this precious life? If this life is precious, guys, shouldn't you see what matters to you, and shouldn't you do that?
Yeah.
So may it be
Yeah.
public speaking, right? We are here for public speaking is one kind of thing, right? May it be coaching, may it be even art, music, design, business, sports. It doesn't matter what it is, right? If you are absolutely devoted to what you are looking for, and you are looking and working for that, I think we can achieve anything that we look for. When I see Ashish Khatri, when he started a year back, he was not clear. But he thought, okay, I'll give a shot, but he was sure that he want to grow his personality. He want to become better speaker, and he did that in 1 year. And of course, it's a journey. It's a journey for me. It's a journey for Ashish. It's a journey for everyone. We all are growing. There's no limit to growth. Is there any limit to growth? Does anyone think, hey, I've grown completely, now I can't grow?
No.
Of course, not from height and
No.
all that perspective, from a hair
No.
perspective, right? But from the internal growth perspective. right?
No.
And yeah, any thoughts?
Yeah, there
I
is
mean,
no
there is no
limit
limit.
to.
There is no
There is no
limit.
limit. Yeah,
There's
success is
no-
a journey. So yesterday in the panel discussion, somebody told like we always need to compare our journey, not the success. Yeah. So
Amazing point. Amazing point. We can take the example of, I think, Ashish and Sindhu and Jayant and so many others who are there in this call. So take the example of any of the coaches in Unlimited Potential or PIM. We are already in our full-time job. We are already earning all, and all these folks are successful guys, real successful. I also work at a very senior position after 18, 19 years of experience at a leadership position, director, and all that I've seen. And on top of it, we are also doing full-time job. On top of it, we are also using our spare time to learn more and to serve others, right? Because we are passionate about communication, we are passionate about coaching, we are passionate about building communities. That's why we all are putting our spare time without thinking of money. That's very important phrase, without thinking of money. I know in job, if I am earning 4 lakh rupees per month, if I can get 50,000 extra by putting 4 hours extra, I'll do that. That's how I used to be. Now I'll say, okay, I'll see whether that is going to help me, or is it helping me in my passion. Or if not, then no, I'll rather use it in my passion. Take any, I think Kalyani gave some great examples. Swami Vivekananda, I'm a big fan of him. Even Abdul Kalam, you see Kobe Bryant, even Sachin Tendulkar, they were devoted to their craft. Once they took all the time, what that is one thing that they want, and they didn't focus on the money part of it. It was sheer devotion, isn't it, to their passion? Isn't it? When Kalyani was throwing so many names, the only thing I was thinking was actually all these are so passionate. They were so passionate. They didn't worry about money. Mahatma Gandhi, if you see, right, from a big barrister, from a lawyer, he didn't even choose to wear clothes. Such a big sacrifice, right? Money was the last thing in his mind. I'll elaborate on Sachin Tendulkar. I think this is something. Anyone who doesn't know Sachin Tendulkar? Anyone who doesn't know Sachin Tendulkar? Everyone knows, right? So, and he is a Bharat Ratna, right? One of the biggest award that one can get. Some people might have some, some people were not big fan of Tendulkar, but still he is a Bharat Ratna, right? So this man knows nothing except one thing. What is that? Hitting a ball. Cricket, right?
cricket. Yeah.
And he became so devoted to hitting a ball, just hitting a ball, hitting a ball, hitting a ball, that he hits like nobody else. No one can hit like him. Now think about it. People who think for these guys, hey, I want to go into cloud computing. I want to go into, what is going in the market. Let me pick that technology. Let me pick that domain. This guy just hitting a ball and became such a big man. He didn't think about any technology or any domain. He just saw what he likes. What is that something that can help him in his passion? I think this is what is a devotion to the craft, devotion to your passion. If you talk, I think if you get chance to talk, if we ever get chance to talk to Tendulkar, and I'm sure the moment we talk about cricket and ball, I'm sure his passion will come out. But maybe when you talk about Bollywood, might not be interested. Maybe public speaking might not be interested, right? But he doesn't have to, because he is already devoted at one place. It is his religion, if you say. It is his sacred stuff. Everything to him. Hitting the ball. Such a simple thing. Such a straightforward thing. His entire life, his precious life, he invested in just one simple thing. And that was,
Think about.
Hitting the ball.
Hitting the
Hitting the
ball.
ball.
see, you all are doing such a great thing. Tendulkar was just hitting a ball, still became a Bharat Ratna. Is it a big thing? Hitting a ball? But that enormous devotion, right? The clarity in his mind, the moment you have that, just see what happens. Tremendous things can start happening. That's where aspirations, that's where desire comes in. So the question I always, when I discussed about with these guys, the question was always, it's not about what you want to do, right? The question is just this: can I be kind of devoted to something that even if I have to, invest my life, let's say next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 25 years, without getting money, can I be passionate to something? Right? I think that's where the coaches here are. People are here since 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Vijay is invested since 13 years. because we are clear this is our passion. So the question is, whatever, I think this brought this thought in my mind, whatever matters to you is important, right? Will I feel fulfilled if I look back and see what I have done? It doesn't matter what other people say, it doesn't matter what your family says. The only thing is, you should not be ashamed of what you have done. I think this much of pride and freedom, if we carry, even if the whole world is saying that you're wrong, I think we'll be happy. We'll be living a happy life, isn't it? So I think next time, that's where of course, it's not easy to explain this to everyone who is calling me for job. I have to give some options, but this is what I wanted to give a message to everyone, that next time you feel you want to take a major decision in your life, you want to change your job, you want to change your company, you want to do something crazy in your personal life, give some personal time to yourself, talk to a coach, get your career impact report done, get your CI done, analyze your strengths and improve in the areas, and then decide. I think this is so important these days. People are so confused, and that's where I wanted to cover this. Thank you, Kalyani, for reminding that. I think this desire part is so important. I thought I'll connect with this. There was a thought in my mind, and I hope this made sense to you also. Any thoughts, guys? Any questions? Is it making sense?
Yeah, Vinny.
Yes.
Okay, and are we? Do we have now? I hope now we should have at least 15. How many people we have who have voted?
It's almost 16 people.
Awesome, very nice. So Sunanda, you want to go ahead and announce who is the winner?
Any guesses? Who is the winner?
Jayant.
Either Jayant or
I
maybe
think Kalyani.
Kalyani.
Kalyani. Yeah.
Yes, Jayant. So let's.
Awesome,
You have
Jayant.
to-
Jayant.
Oh, wow.
So nice speech, and you all spoke very well. And one very good thing that 2% got same result, and that is Kalyani and Amit. So give a big round of
Wow.
Awesome.
Second Kalyani and Amit. Very nice. Awesome, very nice. So thank you so much, guys. Do connect with your coaches. Try to take all the help that you want, and leverage this platform. I know if it is for you, take it forward, right? Put your whole devotion, put your commitment. If it's not for you, you can always move on, right? But don't just take stress. Okay, I'm here and I don't know if this is helping me out or not. Check with your coach. If this is helping you, amazing, we are there. If it's not helping you, there are so many things to do, but give full devotion to one thing at least, right? That's what I wanted to convey from this speech, and I hope that made some sense. And any thoughts, any last thought before we end this? You're good? All right, guys, take care. Have a great remaining weekend, and a great week. Let's see you next week. Bye.
Thanks, Vinny.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
everyone.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.